Hi, welcome to this video. I absolutely love these so much and I can't wait to show you guys how I make them. So the first thing I do is take these pigments and I paint them right into the mold because the resin is going to cure and pick up that color, which I think is really cool. So after I put all the colors in, which I use gold and a color called wine, I add this layer of white resin, and the reason I do this is to hide the stud you're going to see in the next few steps, and you're only going to want to fill the mold about halfway because we're doing another layer after this. And 24 hours later, it's time to glue on the back of the earring because I like turning them into studs, so I just get these on Amazon. I'm just going to super glue these on, and I know my camera's going to be out of focus in this clip. I'm so sorry, it was dying and just didn't want to cooperate. I think I need a smaller lens too. But anyways, I just try to center these the best that I can, and the super glue holds the stud on the back while I do the next step. So that's how they look, and then I'm going to add another layer of white resin, being really careful not to get any on the actual earring backing itself, but I used to do it just with super glue, and I'll show you some before and after on how much I think this 2 layers of resin really helps to make the colors pop with the pigments, to hide the stud, and also to enclose the backing so that we know it's going to stay on. I think it just makes it really sturdy and reliable as well, and it's still very lightweight when you actually wear them, which I love. This project is done in quite a few steps. It's a little bit tedious, I know, but I think that these little steps that I've added in to improve the product really make a big difference, and I'll put up on the screen how they used to look. You can see the earring backing, they're kind of translucent. Even though I used the same pigments, I still think that the white really makes it pop and overall a lot sturdier. So you can see the before and after here. Big difference in my opinion. "24 hours later, I pop these out of the mold, and I will show you what they look like straight out of the mold because we still have to paint on the little details. So now I'm going to take the earrings and use this black chalk paint, and I'm going to cover the entire front of the tarot card because then the paint is going to get in all those little crevices, because that would be extremely difficult to hand paint it all individually because it's very small. So you just cover the whole front and wait about 1 minute so that the paint seeps into those little crevices, and then you wipe it off with a cloth or a tissue, whatever you have on hand, and I'll show you side by side what a difference it makes. And if it needs a little touch up, I will just take my sandpaper brick and kind of fix the edges slightly. Again, I'm sorry for the out of focus. And there we have it. I absolutely love these, and I'm really happy that I've started incorporating my own style into the store a lot more. And then you're going to take the little earring backing and just add it on. Here is our final product. I'm currently working on a lot of different colors as well, so stay tuned for that. Both of these, as well as a purple pair, are for sale on my Etsy currently. I adore making these so much. I'm definitely making myself a pair. And here's how they look on. I love how lightweight they are and that they don't make my ears swell up and hurt. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and you can leave any questions down below. I will try to get back to you, and if I forget anything in this video, I will be sure to have it in the description. I love you all so much. Have a great day. Bye.